Article 4, Section 1. Full faith and credit shall be given in each state to the public acts, records, and judicial proceedings of other states, and the Congress may, by general laws, prescribe the manner in which such acts, records, and proceedings shall be provided, shall be proved, and the effects thereof. Section 2. The citizens of each state shall be entitled to all privileges and immunities of citizens in the several states. So that's basically meaning that every state has to adhere to certain rights that each citizen is granted. A person charged in any state with treason, felony, or other crime, who shall flee from justice and be found in another state, shall be demand of the executive authority of the state from which he fled, be delivered up to be removed to the state having jurisdiction of the crime. So it's basically saying if you commit an act, you commit a crime in California, and say you flee to Nevada or New Mexico or something like that, where whoever has jurisdiction of that said crime, say the crime was committed in LA County, LA County has to therefore request the executive of said state that the person is hiding out to, who fled to. He has to request the executive to ship that person back to the state, or in this case would be LA County. So if LA County, say he fled, say somebody committed a crime in LA County and fled to Nevada, the DA of LA County would have to request the executive, or in that case would be the governor of Nevada to extradite that person back to LA County.
Tell them not to buy. What is all the bread? Wonder bread.
No person held to service or labor in one state under the laws thereof, escaping to another, shall, and in consequence of any law or regulation thereof, be discharged from such service or labor, but shall be delivered upon on claim of the party to whom such service or labor may be due. So it's basically saying if you flee, say you're in prison or whatever, and you flee to another state, you're not, just because you fled the state doesn't mean that you're excused from the remainder of your time. That's basically what it says. Section 3 of Article 4. The new states may be admitted by the Congress into this union, but no new state shall be formed or erected within the jurisdiction of any other state, nor any state be formed by the jurisdiction of two or more states or parts of states without the consent of the legislatures of the states concerned, as well as of the Congress. The Congress shall have the power to dispose of and make any needful rules and regulations respecting the territory or other properties belonging to the United States, and nothing in this Constitution shall be so construed as to prejudice any claims of the United States or any particular state. So that's basically saying any new estate that wants to be admitted can't be done by an individual state. It has to be done by Congress. Section 4 of Article 4. The United States shall guarantee to every state in the Union a republican form of government, not a democracy, a republic, and shall protect each of them against invasion on the application of legislature or of the executive, when the legislature cannot be convened against domestic violence.
Take out your insurance now. We want to have an insurance in.